Here's a little job that we managed to finish off today. Thanks to lockdown, it's given us a little bit of time to get little bits done. So we come back here. Again, the customer's decorated and it looks absolutely stunning. So here we've got Quick Step Impressive, Classic Oak Beige. We put a Maxwell down here as well with one of the colour matching bars across there. I'll just move that spec there. There we go. Right, so here we go. So we've done the hallway. We actually did a job for this customer about 9 years ago, and we did the hallway and floor, hallway and living room before, and they decided for a change of colour and to go into the new kitchen as well. So that's the hallway. So we replaced all the skirting boards and the architraves again as well with new modern square shape. And through into the lounge. I've got to say, it looks absolutely stunning in here. There we go, finished off the best way possible. Then back through here into the kitchen, the dining room. And the kitchen. The kitchen is done by Kitchen World in Mansfield, an old Malay industrial estate, and it looks mint. Look at them tiles as well, lovely. Again, finished off in the best way possible. Just go outside here, get a full shot of it. So there we go. Absolutely beautiful. So the laminate we've put down here, like I say, is Quick Step Impressive. Classic Oak Beige, it's waterproof as well, and this should last for some years, this one. So all of our installations come with a 25-year product warranty and 25-year installation warranty backed by Quick Step as well. So there we go, absolutely stunning. Another job done.